All right, I've got my order in to sell it at 52.13, and it looks like it's getting ready to get down there. The market has been open 5 minutes. Today is the 24th of October. This is the YM. The ES is looking the same way. Pull over my, this is a 20 tick. I think if it breaks low, it should go on down. I'm using a 10 tick stop. And there we go. Man, I've got a 26 tick profit. And let's see what happens here. Okay, I just made 130 bucks. So I'll wait and see what goes on for the day here. The 618 is down here at 51.37. So I'm gonna put it on pause and kind of regroup here. All right, the piece I really wanted to show here was a 1, 2, 3. It 1, 2, 3 broke below that low. I had a preset profit of 25 ticks, and I took it. Made 130 bucks on the deal, and now it's way back up above where I sold it. In the overnight, it went down, but then it came back up above yesterday's high. So it looks like it might be want to be a little bullish today. So I'm just going to sit back. I've already got some profit. I may just not trade the rest of the day because it's getting kind of sketchy right now. But if something really shows up, I will probably go ahead and trade it. So that's it for now. All right, here's one I was looking at. There's a lot of volume right at this point right here. But I was looking at that one red candle pullback. We had one over here on the ES also. And the breakout would have been 841. And same here, breakout to the upside. And that's what I felt was going to happen. But it was just so crazy there at the beginning that I just didn't want to put in the risk. So I want to make sure it's a good, clean trade. But it looked like that was, at least for 20 ticks. So I will revisit later. Okay, I've got an order in here just above this high. And as long as the ES goes with it, I feel pretty comfortable with it. So let's see what happens. I also put an order in below this little low right here at 38, 52.38. So we'll see if both of them can do the same thing. I'll be in probably one way or the other. MACD is kind of hugging the zero line. It could very easily go either way right now. I'll be back. All right, I just got filled going south. We'll see if it, yeah, no, the ES isn't going with it. So I want to see it get on down there, but I'm below 30 here. Got my buyback at 52.13. I'd like to see that ES get on down. There it goes. Made another. Come on down there. Okay. I just made another 130 bucks. Somewhere in there. I'll take that other order out. And I'm up 260 for the day so far. I may just hold out. I don't want to say that, but anyway, just go hold out for now. All right, I was looking at going short below this little base low here at the 618. It broke. It is in a bearish market, but I just didn't want to take it. I'm up decently for the day, and I'm on my way to getting funded. So you know, why risk that just to make a few more dollars? So I'm not going to. I'm going to shut it down for the day since I am at a profit, and look towards tomorrow. And I will, well, also just a little note here. This is 5137 is the 618. So that could be an area where it's wanting to turn around to go up anyway. So that's a good idea just to stay out unless I'm going to be looking on the north side. So that's it for today.